Here's a 2012 Chrysler 300. It's exceptional in every way, from its aggressive exterior to its soft, luxurious interior. This 300 sets the standard for stunning. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com finds the 300 boasts sleeker styling, a quieter interior, and more comfortable ride than it did in years past. Interior craftsmanship is second to none in its class, and the 300's myriad electronic features are not only advanced, but also easy to use. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.